Have you ever felt that sinking feeling in your chest while scrolling through your portfolio? You're holding Kaspa, the most technologically advanced layer 1 on the planet, yet you're watching Pepe Numunilan coins pump 50% in a weekend while KS seems to be bleeding or moving sideways. It's an emotional loop that drains even the strongest hands. You start questioning the tech, the community, and the vision. But here is the cold, hard truth. The market doesn't care about your feelings, and it certainly doesn't care about hype in the long run. The market cares about math. Today we are stepping away from the charts, the Moonboy Twitter accounts, and the hopium. We are going to strip Kaspa down to its mathematical skeleton. If you've been wondering if $1 is a pipe dream or a mathematical certainty, you are in the right place. By the end of this video, you won't just have a price prediction. You'll have a roadmap built on market cap, dominance, and circulating supply. While others bet on memes and luck, the wealthy bet on supply, demand, and the laws of probability. Which side are you on? Before we talk about dollars and cents, we have to understand the price prediction equation. Most people look at a coin and say, I want it to go to $10, without realizing that for some coins, that would require more money than exists in the entire world. To find the truth for Kaspa, we use 3 specific variables. First one, total crypto market cap. This is the size of the entire ocean. During the 2021 bull run, we hit nearly $3 trillion. Experts and institutional analysts are eyeing a $5 trillion to $10 trillion ocean in the coming cycle. Second one, dominance percentage. This is how much of that ocean Kaspa occupies. If the ocean is $5 trillion and Kaspa's dominance is 0.2%, that tells us exactly how much capital is flowing into KS. Third one, circulating supply. Since Kaspa has a fixed emission schedule based on the chromatic scale, we know exactly how many coins will exist at any given time. When you divide the market cap by the circulating supply, the price isn't a guess, it's an answer. If you don't understand the market cap of a project, you aren't investing, you're just throwing darts in a dark room. Let's start with our most conservative scenario, the bear case. This isn't a doom and gloom scenario, it's actually quite bullish, but it assumes the market behaves with standard sobriety. In this scenario, we assume the total crypto market cap grows to a healthy $5 trillion. This is a very realistic target as Bitcoin ETFs settle and institutional money flows in. In this bear case, we assume Kaspa simply reclaims its previous peak dominance of 0.2%. Remember, Kaspa has already proven it can hold this territory. If we take that 0.2% share of a $5 trillion market, we get a Kaspa market cap of $10 billion. When you factor in the projected circulating supply, we land at a price of 36 cents to 37 cents. Even in this worst-case bull market scenario, you are looking at roughly a 7x return from the 5-cent range. This is the baseline of what happens if Kaspa just does what it has already done before. Even if Kaspa never moons, and just does its job, it could still outperform almost every traditional asset on Wall Street. Now, let's move into the realm of high probability, the base case. This is what many analysts believe is the most likely outcome as the digital silver narrative takes hold. In this scenario, the total crypto market cap reaches $7 trillion. This happens as Bitcoin breaks its all-time highs and the alt-season liquidity begins to rotate. Here we expect Kaspa's dominance to grow. As more people realize that Kaspa is the only scalable, decentralized proof-of-work chain, its dominance climbs to between 0.22% and 0.25%. It starts eating the market share of older, slower networks like Litecoin or Bitcoin Cash. With a $7 trillion market and a 0.25% dominance, Kaspa's market cap soars to over $17 billion. This puts the price firmly in the 56 cents to 65 cents range. This is more than a 10x return. This is where Kaspa stops being a niche gem and starts becoming a top 10 contender. What happens to a project when the world realizes it's the only one that actually works at scale? We're about to find out. Finally, we have the bull case. This is the parabolic scenario that keeps us all awake at night. For Kaspa to hit the psychological milestone of $1, we need a perfect storm. First, the total crypto market cap needs to hit a staggering $9 trillion. This sounds massive, but in a world of hyperinflation and massive institutional adoption, it is entirely within the realm of possibility. Second, Kaspa needs to achieve a dominance of 0.3% or higher. This happens if the crescendo upgrade is a massive success, bringing smart contracts and Layer 2 DeFi to the fastest POW network. If Kaspa becomes the hub for decentralized finance because it's the only chain that can handle the speed, it won't just follow the market, it will lead it. A 0.3% share of a $9 trillion market puts the KAS price right at that 98 cents to $1 mark. This is a 20x move from 5 cents. It is the moment where early adopters become life-changed investors. The difference between $1 million portfolio and a what-if is often just the courage to hold through the math. When you step back and look at these numbers, the Kaspa mystery starts to make sense. Whether you look at the bear, base, or bull cases, the returns are staggering compared to traditional finance. Even if we only hit our base case of 60 cents, a $10,000 investment at 5 cents turns into over $120,000. Why is this achievable? Because Kaspa isn't built on a foundation of marketing hype, it's built on a foundation of solved physics. The block DAG technology is the industrial revolution moment for blockchain. The market can ignore the tech for a few months or even a year, but it cannot ignore the efficiency forever. The liquidity contest is coming, and as the supply continues to tighten through the halving-style emissions, the math dictates that the price must respond to the scarcity. $1 isn't just a number on a chart, it's the mathematical destination of a network that refuses to compromise on decentralization or speed. The most dangerous thing in a bull market isn't a crash, it's selling your winners too early because you didn't trust the math. We've done the math, we've looked at the market cap, and we've mapped out the dominance. Now the rest is up to the market. But one thing is certain, staying updated with these shifts is the only way to survive the volatility of the crypto space. If you appreciated this no-nonsense data-driven breakdown, do us a favor, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. We don't do hype here, we do insights. By subscribing, you're ensuring that you are the first to know when the fundamental catalysts for Kaspa, Bitcoin, and the broader blockchain ecosystem shift. Check out our other videos on the technical deep dives of the crescendo upgrade to see why that 0.3% dominance is closer than you think. Drop a comment below with your personal realistic price target for this cycle. Are you a 36 cents realist or a $1 dreamer? Let's discuss it. Stay grounded, stay informed, and we'll see you in the next one. Take full control of your crypto with Ledger Live. Manage thousands of coins and NFTs securely in one place. Buy, swap, stake, and grow your portfolio with ease. Trusted by 7+ million users, Ledger Live keeps your assets safe by integrating with Ledger hardware wallets for maximum security. Say goodbye to third-party risks and hello to true financial freedom. Download Ledger Live now. Click the link in the description to get started. Crypto taxes don't have to be a nightmare. Coinly calculates your taxes in under 20 minutes. No spreadsheets, no headaches. Sync your crypto assets with one click. Whether you're trading, staking, or using DeFi, import your trades, track your portfolio, and generate ready-to-file tax reports effortlessly. Join thousands who trust Coinly to simplify their crypto taxes. Make tax season stress-free. Click the link in the description to get started with Coinly today. The information contained herein is for entertainment purposes only. Nothing herein shall be construed to be financial, legal, investment, or tax advice. The content of this video is solely the opinions of the channel owner, who is not a licensed financial advisor or registered investment advisor. Trading cryptocurrencies poses a considerable risk of loss. Please use your best judgment when dealing with cryptocurrencies and don't invest money that you cannot afford to lose. The channel does not guarantee any particular outcome.